Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get the Threads app by Instagram. First of all, open the Play Store. Then search here Threads. Then click to open the app. Tap to install the app. Wait until the app is installed. Once the app is downloaded, click to open the app. Here you can see the option to log in with Instagram. Or you can switch the accounts if you have 2 or more Instagram accounts. Click to log in with Instagram. Then in Profile, you can write everything accordingly or import it from Instagram. Or click to the next step, which is Privacy. From here, you can choose your account to be public or private. Click on the arrow from the top right corner to go next. Now it shows you to follow the same account you follow on Instagram. Then click on the arrow to move into the next step. From How Thread Works, click on Join Threads. Now you're logged into Threads. You can see your account by clicking on Profile icon from the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.